Well, hey there folks, welcome to another video today at Luna Park, Coney Island. And I didn't think there were any better place to start than this one. It is Cyclone, the wooden roller coaster, 1927 built. First ride of the day. Got the front row. It's finally got some good pops of airtime on there. Good whip round as well, can't beat it. Anyway, I'm on the 4-hour wristband, so I'm going to have to be really diligent what I do today. But I'll get as much as I can. Obviously try and get all my coaster credits. Which I think there's 7 here. There's also the Dino's Wonder Wheel in the middle of the park. That'll provide me with 3, including a Vekoma. I have got my Vekoma t-shirt on today, because we all love Vekoma greatness, don't we? Yeah, good triple out and back though, that one. Cyclone! Yeah, just done this one, the Tickler, Zamperla spinning cars. Yeah, it weren't that good. Weren't that good, very average. Didn't get spun hardly at all. But yeah, Zamperla own park, so 95% of the rides I'm going to be doing here today are Zamperla. Right then, let's go down to the next ride. Yeah, just done this one. Tony's Express, named after the great Antonio Zamperla, founder of Zamperla Rides. Opened last year. I liked it. It was alright, it was smooth. Just to get a smooth roller coaster. Obviously it's going to be, we're only open last year. And then just here as well, you've got Lexi's Treasure. Not sure who manufactured that one. Shoot ride, that might be Zamperla as well. The whole area incorporates that, but yeah, hopefully going to get a little bit of Thunderbolt very, very shortly, actually doing something. But yeah, nice new area here at Coney Island Luna Park. Yeah, I've just come off that Soaring Eagle. Yeah, so that very apt. So Valera or Valere, however you want to pronounce it. They're just rough, aren't they? I thought I was starting to warm to them after a alright ride on Hero back in the spring, but yeah, that sort of confirmed it really. Pain. As for that thing over there, Thunderbolt, well, I don't know if it's going to be opening or not. Just had a word with one of the staff and they've said, well, we're waiting on the weather. Well, alright, thunderstorms are predicted, but at the minute it's dry, there's no wind. Just can't understand why they're not sending it. It's beyond me. Anyway, I'll get you some rides that are going round here at Coney Island. Right, pleased to inform you, they have got this one going in the last 20 minutes, so it is Thunderbolt, the Zamperla Thunderbolt. I don't know if I liked it or not. It was one of them. Restraints on there, very unique. You get some serious hang time, very surprisingly, out of that loop, the apex of the loop, through this 0G. Take you around the ride, really good vantage point this. Dive loop, that's insane. And then you go through that little bit there. Some really good airtime hills. Bunny hills give you proper ejector. And then the final inversion there, corkscrew. It was alright, but I've got to say, I'm partial to my Eurofighters. I'll stick with them, I think. Got the disco ride, this one called Electro Spin. I'm going to give that a spin in a minute, and then just behind that you've got the little Zamperla roller coaster. That was quite good fun actually for a family one. All in front of Dino's big wheel. which I'll try and get some of that operating. It's not been operating for the last couple of hours. And I've got a Starflyer here as well. Yeah, I think you could actually manage that one, Matty. Don't go too high. The sun's coming out now, which is quite nice. Been quite dank and miserable today, but we're forecasting some good weather coming up, so can't have it all. Right then, I'm exiting Luna Park, and with it I'm closing the video off. There are the little combi tower, well quite big combi tower actually, Zamperla. Also over there Fun Time Booster, didn't even realise they did them. And then also the Zamperla Enterprise, which I had a go on. I really enjoyed it. It was better than the US ones for me. Really good fun on that. So anyway, $65 it's cost me for the wristband today. $75 I think if you just turn up without booking it online. Has it been a good day? It's been alright. I'm gonna have to say it, I don't really like being negative, but I feel the staff have been quite unfriendly and rude. Some of them have been alright. It's not all the staff, just some of them. It's put a bit of a down on things, because you turn up, you know, it's in a customer service facing environment, what I do in my profession at work. You know, these sort of things, they get noticed. So, but I am going to mention the young lady who operating this one, Thunderbolt, fellow enthusiast. She asked me how many roller coasters, seen the t-shirt, and asked me how many roller coasters I've done. The answer to that, I think, is 254 after today. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to get anything in Dino's Wonder Wheel, because that opened for about an hour and a half, and it's shut now. So the Vekoma there is going to be required. Oh well. I managed to get the ones on Luna Park anyway. Right, I'll set you off for now from Luna Park, Coney Island, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, take care.